strengths as a universal language. So any individual, no matter what their coaching discipline is, can get great value out of understanding strength-based coaching and a strength-based approach. Strengths are innate to individuals because they're what comes natural. They allow us to focus on what's strong. They give us our best ability to maximize our potential. The strengths class is an advanced class in our curriculum. So it's really designed for individuals that have had 30 hours of training and are really looking to continue to grow as a coach. Throughout the learning experience, what I am always amazed at and just what warms my heart is the fact that each individual lifts other individuals up. We're all learning. We're all on a journey of getting better as coaches, and we need to have a focus with our peers on what's strong. And each individual in the class does just that, and that helps to boost our confidence.